Hello everyone, welcome to Spring Mill's Yard Layout Update. And you can see how I have created a broken wall effect by adding simple ground cover and some static grass. So it really adds to the realism. And you can do this very easily. Just spray some scenic cement over your wall, and I have just filed some of the parts of one of the pieces of the Hornby brick wall, and I've added scenic cement and topped it up with some ground cover and pasted some static grass to give this broken old look. I also have added some of these gates here. I will also add some weathering elements to these gates. Let me show you how it looks when the trains are running on this layout. So thank you for watching Spring Mill's Yard. Stay tuned for more content as I finish off these level crossing gates and add more details to the shunting. The loco shed here, I have purchased some loco shed pack containing the oil cans and the various equipments you have inside a loco shed. I'll be painting and weathering these crossing gates, and once finished I'll update the channel. Thanks for watching Spring Mill's Yard. Wish you a very happy new year.